Challenging.
Energetic.
Insightful. Collaborative. Creativity.
Okay, exciting.
Definitely exciting.
Fun.
Fun.
Yeah, fun.
Lots of joking around, but still very focused on our task, which is really great, and energy's high.
Yeah, I like that the group is different, but all creative from a different point of view.
I hope to be comfortable with the design sprint process so that I can go forwards and create new concepts with companies that I work with or entrepreneurs that want to bring their idea to life.
I would like to learn how to do it, how to facilitate the design sprint, because I want to do it for companies as well. So learn what are the do's and don'ts and how you can facilitate it very well.
To see if the way we've been running design sprints was similar to how other people recommend.
It's also good to have the theory, but use it in practice as well, and that's what I liked. And that you use it for a case that's not yet for a company or something, but we can all be creative and on the same page on it.
You know, in general terms, it's met or exceeded my expectations nearly every way, really.